Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ankeecodeverse. Today we are tackling the topic of appending view structure under the tab bar. If you are new here, make sure to check out tab bar part 1 and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. So let's start. Since we have already created the home view screen, our next step is to simply append this view under tab bar 1. And if you are interested in learning how to create this screen, be sure to check out the description box for the detailed tutorial. Now you can create new screens like wish list and car list according to your design preference. For now, I will simply append my last screen which is already completed so you can see that result. I hope you find it enjoyable and understandable. Keep learning and stay tuned for upcoming video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, subscribe.